Hi, my name is Trevor with Embers. We're showing you Heat and Glow's Slimline series. We'll do a product review of this fireplace, tell you some of the things we really like about it. Um, it is the Slimline series, so what that means is it's very shallow, so it's only 17 inches deep. So if you're in a position where you don't have a lot of floor space to work with, or you're dealing with restrictions on your cavity, the Slimline might be a good option for you because it's very versatile for install. It is available in a handful of sizes. One of the things that we like about it is kind of the signature to Heat and Glow is going to be the LED ember bed lighting, which kind of helps enhance the view of the flame, so to speak. Now, one of the tips that we recommend with this particular fireplace is we have it trimmed out here with porcelain reflective panels. There are brick panels available, but because the fireplace is so shallow, what happens is a very slim fireplace, and those brick panels can kind of keep the resemblance of a very slim model. What happens when we get those porcelain reflective panels in there, not only do they reflect the flame, but they kind of create a false sense of depth for the fireplace. So even though we only have a very shallow fireplace, it doesn't feel that way. With the porcelain panels, we create the illusion of like a 24-inch deep fireplace or so. So that's a little tip if you're interested in this model. We would recommend the porcelain reflective panels with that. Again, this is the Slimline series by Heat.
Thanks so much for checking out our channel. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our channel by clicking in the upper right hand corner. Thanks a lot for checking out our video today.